Meanwhile, the Philippines has strongly condemned an AI-generated video believed to have been circulated by a Chinese state media outlet, calling it a racist attack against Filipinos. The national government has taken the matter seriously, describing the video as an offensive attempt to undermine the country's sovereignty in the West Philippine Sea. IBC News correspondent Bea Piniza has the details.
The open sea, someone had put together the world's most.
This controversial AI-generated video, believed to have been circulated by a Chinese state media outlet, is now facing strong backlash from Philippine officials. The video shows a monkey wearing a Barong Tagalog and a native Filipino hat. The character appears to be taking orders from the United States and Japan and is instructed to sing, while a document titled South China Sea Arbitral Award is being displayed. Although the video does not directly identify the character as Filipino, officials say that the imagery clearly refers to the Philippines.
Ang pagbibihis ng unggoy ng Barong Tagalog at mayroong native hat na meron tayo at pagpapakita na yung unggoy magaling kumanta ng karaoke, obviously, ang pinag-uusapan dito is yung lahi natin bilang Pilipino. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang lahi natin ang minamock dito, it is important na lahat tayo bilang Pilipino ay magkaisa to call out the People's Republic of China na huwag maliitin ang lahi natin at higit sa lahat, huwag tayong tawaging unggoy.
The Philippine government has condemned the video, with several agencies calling for its immediate removal.
At this modern age, wala nang puwang ang racism para maliitin ang kahit na sinong lahi dito sa mundo.
The Philippine Coast Guard says the video attempts to portray Filipinos as an inferior people who are controlled by more powerful countries.
And that's what they wanted to show dito sa video na to, no? Na tayo ay isang mababang uri ng tao na dinidiktahan lamang ng mas malalakas na bansa.
The Department of Foreign Affairs described the video as an offensive attempt to justify China's claim in the West Philippine Sea and even in Batanes. The DFA has filed a formal protest against the state media outlet that distributed the video. The Department of National Defense also condemned the content, saying China cannot compete fairly when faced with the truth. Lawmakers, including Senators Robin Padilla and Kiko Pangilinan, have also criticized the video. Meanwhile, Tariela questioned whether senators who previously called on him to apologize over a caricature of Chinese President Xi Jinping would now ask the Chinese embassy to apologize for the video's depiction of Filipinos. The Chinese embassy in Manila has yet to issue a statement on the controversy. Philippine officials, however, maintain that racial stereotypes and discriminatory content have no place in modern discourse and are urging accountability over the video's release. Bea Piniza, IBC News.